Lord have mercy. Alright, so welcome back, guys. Episode 3, what's in the box? Everybody should really be watching this one, because what do we say? Yeah, buddy.
MBRP, man.
So, you seen in the last what's in the box, the new GT500 wing. Well, it's not on yet. We're filming everything in one day, getting everything done. So, what's in the box? Obviously, it's heavy as you know what. You ready to crack it open?
Yeah, man.
Well, obviously, we've opened it. I ain't gonna lie. I wanted it open pretty bad. So, MBRP, Clifford behind me. We have a brand new exhaust system for Clifford. And not just any exhaust. This is the MBRP race exhaust. Now, watching a lot of the videos, this thing's pretty loud. Of course, we'll have an install video drop in a couple of days right after this video is dropped. We'll actually show you everything that's in this box. I do kind of want to get one of the resonators out, but I gotta go digging, so hold on one second. Let me get that down out of the way. We got our mid pipes and all this foam in between it. That'll go from the resonator, or from the H pipe to the resonator. And then this is the back side. This is actually the passenger side. It is literally, this system's literally nothing more than like a muffler, resonator deleted, everything's pretty much deleted. Now, the way this works, this is a resonator. Lower RPMs, this will fill up. It'll be pressurized basically, and it will keep the drone and the RPMs down. I guess what we could do is this too. And now when you romp on it, and you go what we call watt or wide open throttle, it's going to get loud. I mean, it really is. And then we finish it off with the pretty chrome tips. Has the MBRP logo, and I am pretty sure that one's going to go on that one there. Now, we got a couple different options we're going to do here. We can either keep them straight or slightly bend them and kind of flow with the back of the car. I think it'd be kind of cool. We'll probably look at both of them and see.
Yeah, man.
But we'll show you yeah, man. We'll show you the after in the install video, or actually in this video we'll show you after, like just an after shot.
Yeah, before and after.
Yeah.
Just like the last what's in the box.
Yeah. I don't know if we'll do an exhaust clip.
No, you'll have to wait for the
Install
video.
video. Yeah, I say install video. You want to hear the exhaust? You gotta come back for that. That's gonna be one episode.
Might put in a little.
You're not gonna want to miss.
Yeah, might put in a little snippet of it.
Yeah, maybe.
Not too much though.
Because I mean, system. You know, when I started looking at exhaust systems, there's a ton of them on the market. I mean, MBRP's got the race exhaust. They've got this in a stainless system too. That's a little bit cleaner looking than this. This one comes in at like $650 through CJ, or we got this from American Muscle. So, so that with tax, free shipping, you're looking about $700 for everything, and that gets you an aggressive sounding exhaust.
At high RPMs.
Yeah, higher RPMs, wide open throttle. I mean, cold start's gonna be really loud. So to any of my neighbors, if y'all watch us, I'm sorry ahead of time. Morning times are gonna be kind of loud now. But that's part, you know, kind of, you know, one of the prices you pay when you start playing with these cars. So I guess, man, really, I hate to do this to you guys. What's in the box videos are kind of short on these. because really, there's not much to say about this with it sitting on the table. I mean, it's really not doing nothing unless it's on the car. So, you ready to get to working? Because we got a lot of work to do tonight.
Yeah, man.
I got to work tomorrow. You got to work on getting to doing some editing. So guys, like always, we hope you enjoyed your 4th of July. I know it's a week late, but hey, you know, we're filming on the 4th of July, so if you hear the fireworks, sorry. You know, hit that subscribe button down there. Please hit the subscribe button, man, because we're trying to bring y'all content you want to see. You know, if you have any suggestions, hit us up. I mean, don't be afraid to let us know. Also, should we go ahead and talk to them about what's coming off of here real quick?
Nah, man.
You want to do that in the exhaust video?
Yeah.
You definitely want to watch the exhaust video. If you're an S550 owner and it's stock exhaust, watch the S550 video, please. So, like I said before, hit the subscribe button, hit that thumbs up, hit your post notification bell over here in the corner, and like always, man, dream big. We love you guys. See you.